travel to St. Thomas with my family and I. You see the roads, the sea, the park, the beaches, everything. I'm just gonna show you. Just come along with us. So guys, this is the Rudolph Elder Park in Morant Bay. Just look at it guys, there's a fountain right there smack in the middle there, and they are having an Easter fest, so we are just passing through. They have just been setting up stuff so we can look around before we leave. So guys, in the middle of the morning we decided to eat some ice cream. Here I am with my drumstick while I view the environment. Now we are heading out to the licensed beach. So on our way we view some development in the parish, and we also get a view of the beautiful sea and the road that is being constructed. Alright, so take a look, come along.
cousin.
Yeah?
Be the reporter for me.
Going up to Princess Margaret. This is a little smooth piece. Yeah.
Road. And you're going to see our Princess Margaret Hospital. That's where we were born. Most of us were born and our children. See it? Princess Margaret Hospital. See it? Beautiful hospital. Beautiful, recently refurbished. Beautiful. And we have our community center over there. Yes, man. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. We just need the codes to be fixed. We might have for our jobs. Our sign, license.
This is License Beach.
Okay.
Then it's a
And
License
we're,
Beach.
yeah. 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 The real beach. One of the real beach. See it? Welcome to the licensed beach. Make sure you get that to know my videographer. Licensed public bathing beach. So here we're going down. We're heading down. This is one of the beach, one of our beach stop. So guys, you know if the music are shut out here, so